Hi, first let me show you the style we will use. Style name text box. Hello programmer, in this video I will show you how to anonymously send a message to any number using Python. You need download request model first. I want download now because I downloaded it before. Download request pip install requests. Okay. And write imports requests model import request model, and then let's create a while loop to continue as long desired. Write while loop and true. Okay. First, we will ask the user for the number of the part where we want the message be sent. Input second, let's ask our user what we want to write in the content of the message. Message input message. Let's create an if loop so that the message does not go blank, and if an empty message is sent, we will use the break command to break the while loop. Write if block and break commands. Now we need to use API of sites that will provide us with a random phone number. This is the SQL text box. First, let's create our API. Rasp. We need to use parameters that API asks us to fill in mandatory. For the phone number, we async the variable we created above. And we make the necessary segment the message variable. Message and while using this API, it asks us for a key because sending a message from the site is free for the first try, but after the second message it is paid. Key surfaces are used in these uses. Now we will print on the screen to check the message has been sent or not. In this, we need to use if block practically. Now let's give the user option to exit the loop. Our project is complete. I will not able to send message now because I used my right send one time free message before the video. But you can change IP using VPN, you can have multiple free rights. Okay. Thanks for watching me. You can indicate the part you don't understand in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.